Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the copy-paste issue on your Windows computer. And now, let's get started. If you are experiencing problems with copy-pasting on your Windows machine, there are a few straightforward solutions you can try. First, let us access the clipboard history. Press the Windows key along with the V key simultaneously. This will bring up the clipboard panel. Within this panel, you will find an option to clear all. Click on this to clear your clipboard history, which can sometimes resolve temporary glitches. The next important step is to ensure your Windows operating system is up to date. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu that appears. Navigate to the Windows Update section. On the right side of the window, click on Check for Updates. Installing any available updates can often fix underlying system issues that might be affecting functionality, like copy-pasting. Another effective method is to perform a system file checker scan. This tool can identify and repair corrupted system files. To do this, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Once found, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the command /scannow and press Enter. This command will initiate a scan of your system files. Please allow the scan to complete. It may take some time. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.